Hey guys, Crappy K Sue. I have a few cards I want to show you to see what you think about them. The first card is this one. I used an embossing folder. This is what it looks like without the emboss, or without the colors on it. I have another one just like this that's for wintertime that's got like snow and stuff on it. At the moment I cannot find it, but I used this one for the fall, for like Thanksgiving, which is already over, but that's okay. I'll use it for next year. These leaves right here are from the Just Right. It's a Just Right stamp. It's I think they have music notes and stuff on them, but I colored them with my Zig markers and did some watercoloring with it, and just to do a little bit of these fall colors, and did the same thing with here, except I used some distress inks with sponge dauber, a finger sponge dauber, trying not to get in between, but of course that happens, so I got as much as I could on here. But anyway, I wanted to put gems here and here. This is an older Spellbinder die, but it's got holes here and here, and I didn't want to put brads because I'd already put it down. So I wanted to put gems, but I didn't have any fall color gems. I probably could just put white gems, or clear gems, but then I had a little sticker sheet that had these little things on them, so I guess it would go good with this. I'm still not happy with it though. I wish I would have put gems. I probably could get these off and put gems on them. I haven't decided yet, but anyway, there's that one. I haven't put anything. Oh, this is a rub-on. I have some rub-ons that I haven't seen a whole lot of people use rub-ons anymore. I'm not sure why, because they're pretty awesome sometimes. Just depends on what you get. Like here's another one that I haven't done the rub-on yet, and I wasn't going to do it. I thought this was enough on there. So anyway, so there's that one. Here's another one. This is a Spellbinders die that I think you're supposed to, a lot of people just leave it like this, you know, just like as a shadow type thing. But here's the die. What's it called? Building Snowman. I have another one that's similar to that. But here's this one. It's just, I just did it on craft paper, and I used my white gel pen to do the snow. And this is a, I don't know what stamp that is. Oh, it's a Stampin' Up. A Stampin' Up thing. And then I put some stickles down the bottom for just a little bit of snow stuff. And I put a little, did you even see that? Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to the camera, and then I just put a little cinnamon in there, you know. And the next one is this one. I love this one. This is a Digi-Stamp, and I cannot for the life of me remember where I got it. I had it printed out for a while. I can't remember. I could probably look if you're really interested in it. But anyway, this is a Spellbinders die that I cut it out with. And I see it. It's a real easy card. It's flat. I didn't put anything on the front yet. I don't think I'm going to, but I did put a little sentiment, so I figured that was enough. But this paper that I have is just the regular from Hobby Lobby Paper Studio, and the color of it just matched this really good in here. I love that pop of red right there. Alright, and the next one is this one. It says 6x6. Somebody had given me these little cutout trees, and I cannot remember who it was. I'm so sorry, but thank you so much. And this paper back here as well. So I wanted to do some kind of tree thing. So this back here is I think it's a Sizzix die. It was straight across, so I had to cut it, but I didn't realize I was going to put the tree in front of it. I had to cut it to do it a curvy kind of way. And then I put two, let's see how many, yeah, there's two. This one, and then this one. And then on this one, I didn't put the glue because I wanted to put this one down underneath it. And then I just put this one on the top. And this is from a border of some paper that I have had for a long time. And that's it. Oh, and the inside. This is from, I've got a Joy punch that punches that. And I haven't done the sentiment yet. But that's it. I'm sure I'll be making some more because these are going to probably be my Christmas cards that I'm doing. I'm a little bit behind, but I've got a lot done, but I need to do a few more. So let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.